Hello friends, this is the Cryptonian giving an update to Bitcoin. It is Sunday night, and remember in the previous video I said pay attention to the weekend. We could have some buying coming in, and if we didn't have a lot of selling, that we potentially could have a lot of buyers coming in this evening, preparing for a bullish week ahead and possibly a bullish October. And that is exactly what we've seen. We saw the price of Bitcoin come up to resistance. There was no selling. We had a small little breakout right here above that area, and we prepared to press up on resistance of the previous breakdown area, the previous high. And we can see here, look at this. What an amazing push to the upside. Here we had a push higher. Now, a lot of this is because of the bears getting decapitated, pushed out of their positions, liquidated, and that's what pushed us above this breakout point here. So this is pretty much what I said in previous videos, that the next point of testing would be here, and of course pushing through that, reaching to this area that would decapitate a lot of the bears that we've seen lining up at this level. And that's what I said. I said we're seeing bears in this area, and that's exactly those bears that were pushed out of position. And this volume added to this breakout here. And I said when bears get pushed out of their position, they have to buy. They actually buy back into the market to exit their short position, and that's exactly what happened here. Now, the question is, do we buy here? In my opinion, I would say no, because we have this area here that shows we are extending up into resistance. Now we have a overbought condition, overextended RSI, and we're above 75. I'm expecting this area to be retested here. So I'm hoping that the price will actually just kind of fade down here, and coming down to this breakout point, I would then buy here. This would be a good place to buy. So this is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look at the daily chart. There we go. See, this is actually technically a higher high. So we have a uptrend underway. We have the higher low here. We have the higher high here. We are now on the daily above the point of control here. Point of control 27,360. We have to hold above that, and we have to hold above this diagonal breakout line for this breakout to be valid. So I would say, we need to stay above this area here. Now we can come down, we can consolidate, for example, pull back, consolidate in this area. The fib level I'm looking at is 27,550. So if we can hang on to that fib level, 27,550, and also this 27,300, between that area, we can consolidate in that area, then it's a buy in my opinion. I will then be entering a position on Bitcoin and also possibly some altcoins. Now taking a look at Aave, look at Aave. Aave showing a lot of strength here, a lot of strength. This is the daily. Now I did call a buy down here at support. I did purchase some Aave down here because, compared to Bitcoin, Aave gives outsized gains as far as that goes, comparing it to Bitcoin. And so 35% in profit today right now. And Bitcoin, as Bitcoin has broken out, you can see that Aave has pushed higher and has broken out as well. Remember, Aave follows Bitcoin very, very closely. However, as it follows Bitcoin, it puts in bigger gains. It also puts in bigger losses. There's higher risk, so you have to be careful. But as far as buying at support, where it's been shown over the past year to reverse in that area, that is an excellent place to enter, and then take your profits up here at resistance. Now, that being said, I'm in it for the long run. I am not selling. I entered here. I'm not selling, and so I'm just going to ride it up. I may add here if we then hold on to this area. I might be adding here, but I'll let you know, and I'm not going to do it right now, of course, because we could see some type of selling and profit take place. But This is good news for the market. This is good news for crypto. This is good news for October. And we can see here Bitcoin putting in a nice push to the upside. We are now, this is the area I said that volume node, I said we need to push up into and consolidate and take control above this area. And that is what has happened. All of this on low participation on a Sunday night where it's easy to push the price up. Now we have to wait and see during the week if this holds, okay? And so that's what I'm going to be looking for. I'm looking for holding above this point of control at 27,350 and also possibly above this fib level of 27,550, and that's going to be bullish for Bitcoin. And then I'm expecting some type of consolidation here and then going higher for the next impulse. Where is that next impulse? Well, I'm glad you asked. The next impulse, next resistance area is way up here. When we take a look, let me get my marker out. The next area of resistance is up here in the golden pocket for the bears, and I've talked about this area in the previous videos. This is bear territory, classic bear territory, where you could see a lot of resistance here and some profit taking. And so 28,352 is the beginning of that level. 28,352, not far away. And the top of that level, 29,196. So in this area, there's going to be a lot of volatility and a lot of fighting between the bears and the bulls. We could see some type of a failure here, so we have to watch out. And but if we can conquer this area, push higher, then we could see a return back to 30, 31, 31.5, maybe even 32, and a breakout of this area as well. So this is good news. It's going to be a good week. It's going to be an interesting week, and let's see what happens. Thanks for watching, friends. This is just an update, and I'll be making more videos a little bit later. Take care. Please click the like, subscribe as well, and also I'm on TikTok and I'm on Twitter as well. And I'll leave the my new TikTok address in the description below. Take care, friends.